Dear members, here we are. First of all, Happy New Year! It's 2023, and this is the first video for you of the new year. Now, today we're gonna check together a particular type of view. I think it's very interesting. It's very nice. It's very artistic. Has a very nice perspective. So basically, this is a front view that is. I take always my little car as to show you that is not like that, but is slightly a tip up, okay, in front view. If I put a center line, okay, like that, so basically on the side here, we draw the section of our front design and put the base of my windshield a little bit more in the front, so I make this shorter, and also my windshield we can make it a little bit more aerodynamic looking, so more inclinated. And this part also will be a little bit at a V shape. And on top, just a little bit. Okay, so here we have our V shape front end. And at the bottom, we can imagine that we have some... we're gonna make the eyes of this car. This is just a schematic, first try. Now I will just check from the back. Check always from the back to see if there is something wrong. It looks like this is a little bit high, just a little bit too high. Okay. All right, so I don't really like very much this front grille area. Now I will retrace it. Okay, so this is, I would say, our new design. I take the other one out. You see the difference? There is a big difference between the two. Now, you see? This is a little bit more modern. This is probably a little bit too much. So I'm just gonna fix it. Okay, now I'm gonna just make some shading. Okay, so you can see that now all the shading and some reflections are starting to make this sketch quite interesting. Okay, so I just put my basic color, but then I will make some nice shading reflection, little tricks to make all this look much more interesting. So I'm putting some detailing in this area so that you can see that you can play with that to add details, add a wing, add something if you want to. Okay, I hope that this gave you a good idea about how you can take this type of perspective, make of it something interesting. I mean, just in case you like it. You can add just a very simple background, like here, for example. and this is my first sketch of 2024. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you like it.